Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are all keeping fine. I am Sukulamram. This video clip is part 2 of Computer Standard 6. My dear students, kindly open your book, page number 21. Dear students, today we shall continue our learning from chapter 2, that is display settings. First of all, I shall read out the chapter and you follow me. Display settings. You have the option to decide how your desktop and other things on the screen will appear by changing the display settings. You already know how to change the desktop background and icons. The screen resolution, brightness, the size of text, etc. can also be changed on the screen. You may need to change the screen resolution while using graphics or playing games. To do this, you can open Display Properties in Control Panel. Then you can make changes to the display settings as per your choice. Follow these steps to open display settings. Step 1. You can go to Control Panel and click on Appearance and Personalization option. Appearance and Personalization window will open. Step 2. Click on the Display option in Display Properties. Step 3. You can select the option to change the size of text in Windows menus and dialog boxes. This will make your text large. You can check that smaller is selected by default. Step 4. Click on Apply. Step 5. You can click on Adjust Resolution from the left side pane of the Display Properties window to change screen resolution. Screen resolution window will open. Page number 22. Step 6. You can click on the drop down resolution bar to select a resolution of your preference. Step 7. Click on Apply and wait for some time to allow the system to apply the new resolution settings to your computer. Step 8. The orientation of the screen can also be changed from landscape and portrait from the orientation option. Page number 23. Setting a password. It is possible for you to set a password for your computer so that nobody can have access to your data without your permission. Follow these steps to set a password. Step 1. Go to the control panel and open Hardware and Sound option. You will see the Hardware and Sound window. Step 2. From the Power options, click on Require a password when the computer wakes option. System setting window will open. Step 3. From the password protection on wake up, select Require a password. Step 4. Click on Save Changes. Adding or removing software. At any time you can add a new software and even remove a software that you do not require from the computer's hard drive. Page number 24. Removing a software. You should not delete any software or program from the desktop, as deleting from there just removes the program's shortcut from desktop or program library. It will still occupy space on the computer's disk. You should uninstall the software properly from control panel. Follow these steps to remove a software. Step 1. Go to the control panel and click on Program options. Step 2. Click on the Programs and Features option. A window will open. It displays a list of all the software installed on your computer. Step 3. Now you can scroll down the list of programs to locate the program you want to uninstall. Select the program you wish to remove and click on Uninstall. Step 4. Uninstall window of the selected program will appear on your screen. Select Uninstall again and follow the steps displayed on the screen. The selected program will get removed from your system. Adding software. The control panel is not needed to add a new software. When you want to download a new software from a CD or from the net, the instructions displayed on your monitor will guide you to add and install the software. My dear students, let us know more about display setting. Display setting options is to decide the desktop and other things on the screen will appear by changing the display settings. Then how to change the desktop background and icons. By display settings we can change the screen resolution, brightness, the size of text also be changed on the screen, and we need to change the screen resolution while using graphics and playing games. To change the display settings, we should follow the following steps. Step 1 is we should go to control panel and click on appearance and personalization option. Appearance and personalization window will open. Then step 2, click on display option in display properties. Then step 3 is we can select the option to change the size of text in Windows menus and dialog boxes. This will make our text large. We can check that smaller is selected by default. Then step 4 is click on apply. Step 5, we can click on adjust resolution from the left side pane of the display properties window to change screen resolution. Screen resolution window will open. Then step 6, we can click on the drop down resolution bar to select a resolution of our preference. Then step 7, click on apply and wait for some time to allow the system to apply the new resolution setting to our computer. Then step 8 is the orientation of the screen can also be changed from landscape to portrait from the orientation option. Setting a password. My dear students, we set a password on our computer for safety of our data, and nobody can have access to our data without our permission. And how we can set the password on our computer? To set a password on our computer, we should follow the following steps. Step 1. From the control panel, we open hardware and sound option. Then hardware and sound window will appear. Then step 2. From the power options, click on require a password when the computer wakes option. System setting window will open. Then step 3. From the password protection on wake up, select require a password. Then step 4. Click on save changes. Then removing a software. My dear students, how to remove a software? Any software or program from the desktop, as we delete or remove the program shortcut from desktop or program libraries, it will still occupy the space on the computer's disk. That means the program is not removed. Then it is needed to uninstall the software properly from control panel. To remove a software, we should follow the following step. From the control panel, click on program option. Then step 2, click on the program and features option, and a window will open. This window displays a list of all the software installed on the computer. And step 3 is, from the list, we select the program and click on uninstall. Step 4. Uninstall window of the selected program will appear on our screen. Select uninstall again and follow the steps displayed on the screen. The selected program will get removed from the system. Then adding software. How to add a software on the computer? To add a software, that control panel is not needed. When we want to download a new software from a CD or from the net, the instruction displayed on the monitor, and it will guide us to add and install the software.